Morning girls. We'll continue with English language. Last I did with you exercises I had given you girls. Whatever I had done so far, I said work it out. I hope all of you did those exercises and you were successful and you have understood. I hope so. Each one of you did yourself. Today girls, we will do active and passive voice. Right? Pay attention. In active voice, understand what is active and passive voice. In active voice, the verb shows that the person as subject does something. Okay? The person as subject does something. Subject does something. And the verb helps is active voice. In the sentence, the verb that helps, that is active voice. Right? Now, look at passive voice. Passive voice, verb shows that something is done to the person. Okay? In the active, subject does something, and in passive, something is done to the person as subject. And the verb help is said to be passive. In this sentence, the verb is passive voice. Right? Now look at the example. Mr. Jim loves Jack. This is subject and something is done by the subject. This loves. This is active voice. Mr. Jim loves Jack. Look at the next one. Jack is loved by Mr. Jim. We have changed the sentence. Now, Jack is loved by Mr. Jim. This is passive voice. Now, some more examples. The peon helped open the gate. Sorry, this is open. The peon opened the gates. Now, open the gate. This is subject. So, this is active voice. The subject is doing something. Open the gate. So, this is active voice. Next, the gate was opened by the peon. Now, changed. The gate was opened by the peon. This is passive voice. Who did this? This is active voice. Who did this? Active voice. Okay. And change into passive. By whom was this done? This is passive. Was done. Past tense. By whom was. This is passive voice. Next one. Some boys were helping the wounded man. This is active. Right? And changed. The wounded man was being helped by some boys. This is passive. This is how you have to change the sentence from active to passive. Now look at these sentences. Read first, pay attention to the question. Name the verb, as I had underlined just now. Name the verb and tell whether they are in active voice or passive voice. You just underline the verb. Okay, name the verb, that is you underline the verb and then say whether it is active or passive. Few sentences I have written here. The thief was caught. The bird was killed by a boy. Next, the cat killed the mouse. He is loved by all. The boy made a kite. The dog chased the sheep. The letter has just been posted. I see a dark cloud. Now girls, you have to write, first find the verb and write active or passive after the sentence. Okay. Now for example, the bird was killed by a boy. You know which sentence? By a boy. Okay, the bird was killed. So this is passive. One example more I'll just read out. The cat killed the mouse. This is the subject. The action, the verb is showing here killed. So this is active voice. We said that subject does something. The subject does something. And here it was done by the subject. So this is passive and this is active. I've just given two examples. Now you will do the rest. Okay. Now some more work for you. Change active to passive voice. You have to change active to passive voice. These are all active sentences, active voice sentences. Her teacher praised her. Active. He kept me waiting. He scored 20 runs. We expect good news. These are all active. Change them into passive voice. Next, change passive into active voice. The horse was frightened by the mouse. The French fleet was defeated by Nelson. Passive voice these are. He was made king by them. The trees were blown down by the wind. Now these four sentences are passive. You have to change them into active. Girls, do this as homework, and after revising and understanding well again what is active and passive, you will be able to change these sentences and also find out whether these sentences are, before this what I gave you, whether they were active or passive. Do your work and understand well first before you start your work. Okay? God bless you.